How to convert GGives to cash using Seabank. So to convert GGives to cash using Seabank, you'll first need to transfer the GGives to your GCash wallet, then transfer it from your GCash to Seabank. And finally, you can withdraw the money from Seabank. So first thing you want to do is transfer the GGives to GCash. So open your GGives app and then initiate a transfer to your GCash wallet, then enter your GCash wallet number and amount you want to transfer, and then confirm the transaction. And then next thing you want to do is transfer from GCash to Cbank. So after you transfer that, just open your GCash app, select the bank transfer, choose Cbank from the list of banks, enter your Cbank account number, bank names and details, and other details that you want to put, and then review and confirm the transaction. And then lastly, you want to withdraw it from Cbank. So open the Cbank app, select withdraw or cash out, choose your preferred withdrawal method such as bank transfer if available, or over-the-counter cash out at partner outlets. Then follow the instructions provided by Cbank for choosing withdrawal method. And that's how you can convert GGives to cash using Cbank.